all, welcome to our channel Live Jobs Info. Today I got a new job notification for you. Before we get into the video, I request you to please subscribe to get daily job updates. In order to apply, just visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com, or else you can also check the link provided in the description. Today we have so many job notifications. Here we can see that Capgemini is hiring for software analyst. Amazon is hiring for associate quality service engineer. Oracle is hiring for software developer. Amazon is hiring for QA technician. Infosys is hiring for BPM service engineer. HSBC is hiring for trainee software engineer. Tech Mahindra is hiring for test engineer, and Dell is hiring for senior system engineer, and Capgemini is hiring for performance testing engineer. Squarebot is hiring for full stack developer. I request you to please go through all these jobs. You can visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com so that you will find all these details. Today let us see how to apply for Capgemini. Let us go through the complete job description. I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any job notifications. You can apply easily. Here we can see that Capgemini is hiring for software analyst for freshers. Complete organization name is Global Edge Software Limited, which is now called as Capgemini. Both have merged. Here we can see that this job was posted on November 25th, 2021. Capgemini is headquartered in Bangalore, and Global Edge Software is a product engineering company that has been in business of embedded software solutions and technologies for over 15 years. Global Edge Software Limited is the leading embedded solutions and information technology services company serving global markets. Global Edge Software single mind mission is to transform our customer business innovation into reality through superior cost effective and quality engineering solutions with development centers in India and US. Global Edge offers a unique combination of R&D, product engineering and software development services. Global Edge is an integral part of Capgemini, a global leader in consulting, digital transformation, technology and engineering services. The group is at the forefront of innovation to address the entire breadth of clients. Opportunities in the evolving world of cloud, digital and platforms. Building on its strong 50 years plus heritage and deep industry specific expertise, Capgemini enables organizations to realize their business ambitions through an array of services from the strategy to operations. Capgemini is driven by the conviction that the business value of technology comes from and through company. Today is a multicultural company of 270,000 plus team members in 50 countries with global edge. The group reported to 2019 combined revenues of 17 billions euros. In order to get daily job updates, you can join in any of these links so that you won't miss anything, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here we can see that they are hiring for software analyst. Now let us see the job description. The typical Global Edge software systems analyst salary is $95,968. System salary analyst salaries at Global Edge software can range from um, $90,483 to 1 lakh change dollars. This estimate is based on three Global Edge software systems analysts salary report provided by employees or estimated based on statistical methods. When factoring in bonuses and additional compensation, a system analyst at Global Edge software can expect to make an average total of $95 change. See all system salaries to know how this stacks up in the market. So just go through the complete thing. It is completely a software analyst job role, and experience needed is freshers, and they are offering a package of 3.8 lakhs per annum. So it is a very good opportunity. Just apply for this job, and they have provided multiple locations for this job like Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad and Pune. You can just apply since it is a very good opportunity for freshers. I request you to please apply. Just go through the complete job description, visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com, or else click on the link below so that you will be able to apply for this job. And now let us see the job responsibilities. good attitude, sound knowledge on electrical skills, strong C++ programming skills, basic and good knowledge on Linux internal concepts, willing to work on embedded field in any locations like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and Chennai. Very good communications and both verbal and written are needed in English are needed, and certificate of embedded or C++ is an added advantage. It is not mandatory. It is a good add-on just. So I request you to just go through it. And CTC offered is 12K stipend for first 6 months, and after 6 months upon employment with the company, they are offering 3.8 lakhs per annum. So first 6 months will be the training, so they will be offering 12K per month. Interview rounds are like online test, C programming, in technical interview, HR discussion. Online test includes both aptitude and reasoning, so you can just apply if you have a good knowledge in aptitude and reasoning. And even if you don't have, also just apply. If you are a fresher, just give a try. Don't miss any of the opportunities, just grab it. So now let us see how to apply for this. Just click on this official link, it will be redirected to the website. So let's wait. We need to wait, and then we'll be able to apply for this job. I request you to please be here. Now let us wait. It is a very good opportunity for freshers. It is a very good opportunity as they are hiring for freshers, and they are offering like 12K in the first 6 months, and after that they will be offering 3.8 lakhs per annum. So it is a very good opportunity, and you can just go through the complete system analyst job description in the in through online. So you can just find out what exactly this type of job description mean. And I request you to please apply for this job, and if you are interested, and also just apply. I request you to please apply. Please enter all the details in the website, and also try to enter all your educational background details and all, so that you will be able to get the complete job descriptions and all. Here you can see the Capgemini about global and the Capgemini, a part of, as I said, a part of Capgemini. So I request you to please just go through the complete job description, software analyst job. Just go through the complete details, and you will be able to apply for this job. You need to enter your email ID here, and first name, contact number, gender, current location, city, town, state in India, um, college, institute, graduation degree, graduation year of passed out, branch, which branch you are, like CSC, C something like that, BSc something. So percentage, and mention 12 percentage like intermediate, and 10 percentage are you certified on CC plus plus certification. If you have certification, just enter S. And even if you have a local, some of the people will be doing in local institutes also for C plus plus certifications. So you can also just use that, and you can provide that if needed. And if selected, are you able to join immediately? Yes, you can select as yes. No, don't, no one keep this option as no, just select it as yes only. If selected, are you ready to relocate to Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and Chennai? You need to keep yes, and they will be providing an options for you in order to select the location when you got shortlisted. So I request you to please just apply if you are eligible, and I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please go through our website www.livejobsinfo.com, so that you will be able to apply for each and every job. And daily we will be providing minimum of 10 job notifications. So I request you to please apply for this job, and if you are eligible, and visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.